You're 62 years old. You haven't touched your 401k. You don't need to. 20 boring businesses have been quietly paying your retirement for the last 11 years. And honestly, you barely think about them anymore. A laundromat in one town, a billboard lease in another, a handful of vending machines nobody's ever asked you about at a barbecue. None of it sounds like a retirement plan. All of it acts exactly like one. You're sitting on your porch right now, same worn-out chair you've had for a decade, coffee going cold beside you. But here's the part that surprises people when they finally hear the whole story. This entire setup replaced a pension you never actually had. That's not luck. It never was. This isn't a story about maxing out a Roth IRA. It isn't about some genius stock pick that made you rich overnight either. It's about 20 forgettable little businesses that quietly did what an entire retirement fund was supposed to do without a financial advisor ever getting involved. Somewhere right now, someone your age is terrified about running out of money before they run out of time. They did everything they were told, saved diligently, invested in the market, and they're still scared. Meanwhile, you built something almost nobody else considered, and the fear just never showed up. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll understand exactly why 20 boring businesses can replace a retirement plan that took most people 40 years and a lot of luck to build, and why almost nobody thinks to build it this way. Level 1. Here's what almost nobody tells you about retirement planning. Everyone assumes it means a 401k, a pension, and hoping the market cooperates for 4 decades straight. That's the only script most people are ever handed. Nobody hands you the other script. The one where 20 small, unglamorous businesses quietly replace a paycheck without needing the stock market to behave itself at all. Every single one of these businesses was chosen for one reason. It doesn't care how old you get. A laundromat doesn't care that you're 62. A billboard lease doesn't care that your knees hurt more than they used to. A storage facility doesn't care if you decide to retire completely and never think about work again. They just keep running, exactly the way they always have. Level 2. Let's talk about why 20 small businesses beat one traditional retirement account. A 401k depends entirely on the market. Some years it's up, some years it's down 30%, right when you need it most. These 20 businesses don't care what the stock market is doing. A laundromat still runs during a recession. People still need clean clothes, whether the market is up or down. A vending machine still sells snacks, whether stocks crashed yesterday or not. One business alone won't fund a retirement. 20 of them, spread across boring, unrelated categories, absolutely can. And here's the part that shocks people. If one business has a slow year, you don't panic. 19 others are still paying exactly like normal. Most people never do this math while they're still working. They assume retirement only comes from stocks and bonds, and they never consider that boring cash flow businesses can do the exact same job, sometimes better. Level 3. Building this wasn't glamorous. It took years of unglamorous work, most of it done while you were still working a regular job on the side, researching which laundromats actually made money and which ones were quietly bleeding cash every single month, learning how billboard leases actually worked, which took way longer than anyone expected. Nobody filmed any of that for social media. Nobody wants to watch someone review a laundromat's water bill for 2 hours straight. But every boring hour spent fixing business number 1 made business number 2 easier. By business number 10, you weren't guessing anymore. You knew exactly what a good deal looked like the moment you saw it. Level 4. So where did all that income actually go while you were still working? It didn't get spent on anything flashy. Most of it went straight back into buying the next boring business, one at a time, for over a decade. Some went into paying off debt on existing businesses faster than required. Some went into small upgrades that made existing businesses run smoother without needing your constant attention. None of it went toward things that would have impressed anyone at a dinner party. People assumed this required some huge inheritance or a lucky break. It didn't. It required buying boring, forgettable businesses, one at a time, for years, while everyone else was maxing out credit cards on things that depreciated the second they bought them. Level 5. Nobody warns you about the weird looks you get explaining this to people your age. Friends assume you must have sold a company or won the lottery. Family thinks you're exaggerating when you say a laundromat is part of your retirement plan. There's real pressure to have a normal-sounding retirement story. Everyone expects to hear about a 401k or a pension from a job you had for 30 years. Nobody expects to hear about vending machines and billboard leases, funding your golden years, You stopped needing anyone to understand it a long time ago. The monthly deposits do the explaining now, whether anyone believes the story or not. Level 6. Here's the exact moment this stopped feeling like a side project and started feeling like an actual retirement plan. Early on, every single business needed your attention constantly. You'd worry about them the way people worry about a struggling 401k during a bad market. Somewhere around a business number 12, that worry disappeared completely. Managers handled the daily stuff. Contracts renewed themselves. You stopped checking on things out of fear and started checking on things out of simple habit. Retirement stopped being a scary countdown and started feeling like something that had already quietly happened years before you actually stopped working. Level 7. So what does 20 boring businesses actually buy someone in retirement? It's not a yacht. It's not a second vacation home nobody visits. It's something quieter and honestly more valuable. It's never doing math in your head about how long your money will last. It's not flinching when the stock market drops, because your income was never tied to it in the first place. It's waking up at 62, 70, or 80 and knowing the businesses are still running exactly the way they always have, whether you're paying attention or not. None of this happened in one lucky year. One laundromat turned into 2 boring businesses, 2 turned into 8, 8 eventually turned into 20 separate income sources nobody outside your own accountant ever fully understood. Not every deal worked out perfectly. Some businesses got sold at a loss when they clearly weren't working. Some contracts needed renegotiating more than once before they finally made sense. That's the part nobody puts in the highlight reel, but it's exactly why the businesses that survived mattered so much more in the end. These 20 businesses were never really the point. They were proof that retirement doesn't actually require a perfect stock market, as long as you build something that works regardless of what the market decides to do. If you're wondering whether your own retirement could work this exact same way, it probably can. The only real difference between you and this story is who actually started buying boring businesses instead of just hoping the market cooperates for 40 straight years. This channel is POV Zenn. If this story changed how you look at your own retirement plan today, that's exactly why it got made in the first place. Subscribe if you want the next hidden wealth story broken down exactly like this one. Because somewhere right now, someone your age is quietly retired, funded entirely by 20 boring businesses nobody's ever heard of. And honestly, that's usually where the real security's been hiding this entire time.